Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and locating the video you want to share. Find the exact timestamp if needed. Once done, tap Share and choose Copy Link or Share to WhatsApp directly. That preserves the URL and metadata. Make sure WhatsApp has permission to access your clipboard and media. This step is about speed. Copying the link is best for group sharing, while direct share reduces taps. Follow these first actions, so the following editing steps are quick and reliable. Next, prepare what the recipient will actually watch and read. If you need a clip, use YouTube's Share at Current Time or a screen recorder to make a short highlight. Keep it under 60 seconds for WhatsApp. Once done, paste the link into the chat and add a 1-2 sentence context message explaining why it matters. Make sure to include a timestamp or a timecode like 2:15 so viewers jump straight to the key moment. This improves engagement and saves time. Finally, send your prepared message and watch for confirmation. You should see message ticks in WhatsApp. Ask the recipient to confirm playback if the video is essential. If playback fails, resend the copied link or use export to save the clip and send as a file. That avoids streaming restrictions. Make sure to clear app cache or update apps if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if a link preview fails, paste the URL again or toggle network connection to refresh the preview.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.